Good morning everybody, I'm Hugh from Berthon. I'm here with Andrew. We're on Hound of Royal Clarence. We've just been out doing some drone photography, which I hope you'll be about to see. We just thought it'd be useful for you to have a quick chat with us about how Andrew's been using the boat. You've owned it for 12 years?
Yeah, nearly 12 years, yeah.
Nearly 12 years. She's a Cara 62. She was built in 2004. She's running on a pair of Hamilton water jets on Caterpillar engines. Tell us a little bit about what you've been using her for.
Yeah, so we bought her in on the Solent here. She's been kept in Haslar in the Submarine Museum, and we really just toured along the south coast. So involved with the British powerboating, marshalling. So she's a firm favourite within the Cows motorboat fraternity. Otherwise we've coastal hopped down to the West Country, and she's been a beautiful boat to be fully self-sufficient in harbour hopping and sitting in some lovely bays.
Tell us about COVID, why the boat has got relatively little use during that time.
Yeah, we pulled it out just before we were having navigation gear, new navigation equipment put on and some refit, and then COVID arrived and she stayed out. So we took the opportunity thinking that maybe this year or when COVID was over, we'd go back down to the Scillies. So pretty much bow to stern, we've gone through and put a number of updates in the boat, bringing her right up to spec, and in fact only went back in the water 2 days ago.
So we've had the jets fully serviced by Hamilton
have been over, yep.
The Caterpillar guys have been on board.
Yep.
Had the hull just polished. She was copper coated as well?
Yeah, we had her copper coated in 2017-18. This was the first time she'd been lifted after it. Where necessary, we've done all the anti-fouling on the grates for the jets and on the jets themselves. Hull polished, and we also took the opportunity of having a bow thruster put in as well. So when I'm moving it around single-handedly, which I've been doing quite a bit of the time, it just helps me alongside when I'm bringing the bow in to tie alongside.
And he's pretty good at it as well. So tell me just a little bit about why you ended up buying her in the first place.
Yeah, so I'm a sailor by background, always been into super hulls. Had a Fairy Swordsman as a radio controlled boat as a teenager, bought a Fairy Swordsman, White Swordsman, won many concourses with it, had it for 10 years, and then it was a case of looking for a boat with a hull that could go somewhere and be purposeful. And the Cara hull is just super capable, very smooth, safe for the family, and it manoeuvres like a dream. You've got to get hold of these things and get used to them, but it's purely down to feel at the end of the day, and very confident when you're handling it.
And in terms of how you've been using her, mainly just south coast and hopping over the Cows?
Yeah, we bought her originally. We were going to be thinking of emigrating, and she was going to be a UK base. We didn't emigrate, we've stayed in the UK, and so she's ended up being a very big day boat. We've had some lovely weekends, we've had some nice holidays, but really she's had very little use since we've stayed in the UK. We have literally used her to go to Cows and down the Solent, love Yarmouth, at the back end of Brownsea Island and Green Island and around those sort of areas. So, but this year the plan was to go back to the Scillies. She's a perfect Channel Islands boat, or down in the Scillies, shallow water and big seas if they catch you out. So we were just about to set off this summer and do the same, really.
So many thanks for joining us. I hope that shows you a little bit about the boat that we're on. We're going to be tootling back into Portsmouth Harbour now. As you can see, you have a fantastic, entertaining space behind us here. We hope you've enjoyed the video. It's goodbye from us. We're going to go and get ready to go into dock now. Many thanks for watching.
Thank you.
We're just going to take you out round the... Don't worry about that one. Look forward to showing you the footage shortly. I'll do that again. I can't see a bloody thing.